Welcome, and follow me is a Samsung Galaxy S25, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of the screen, and you'd want to do it from the right side as this brings the toggles by default. And somewhere here, if we extend this, we should have our screen recording toggle. So for me it's right over here. You can click on it. Select what kind of media will be, or sound will be recorded. So it's media. You also have media and mic or none. I'm gonna start recording. This begins a 3-second countdown, which I can skip. And from now on, whatever I'll do will be recorded by the phone. And now once you're done recording, you can just click right here on this square. This will save the recording to your Photos application. Oh, there we go. It's right here. Photos application. Okay, and you can see it's right here at the top, or you might also find it under collections, and here we should have screenshots, and screen recordings are located in screenshot folder. Now this is actually a different recording, not the one that I have captured. Which good question is, which one is the one that I have captured? Okay, for some reason they're not chronologically organized in here. So today we don't have the video or screen recording that I have literally just captured. So I guess typically you would have that, and that's just how by default it works. I'm not sure what's changed right here. A bunch of people record this phone, so there might be some gallery changes, but you can see it right here. It's actually chronologically on the main photos page. So there we go. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.